How to fix Google Chrome not opening easily and fast. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is go into the settings on your Windows. Go right here, click on settings as you can see, and now what you want to do is go into the apps and then go into the default apps right here, and here you will find the web browser as you can see, and make sure that it's on Google Chrome like this. If it is another browser, for example Internet Explorer, just change it. And after that, what you want to do is go back to the home page, click down here in the taskbar, click on your right mouse, click on Task Manager, and make sure to turn off the apps that you don't need, for example OBS Studio. Click on it on your right mouse and click on End Task. After that, go here. If you found any app that is working, click again on your right mouse and click Exit. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.